back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I have created this dramatic glittery double cut crease eye look using Morphe Gemstones palette. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. I'm priming my eyes with Eyelash Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige, and I'm setting it with Makeup Revolution loose powder in the shade Banana. For today's look, I'm going to use Morphe Gemstones palette. The first shade I'm going to use is called Flashback. This is a true white matte shade. I'm gonna use this shade under my brow bone to highlight. The next shade I'm going to use is called B. This is a bright yellow shade and this will be my transition shade. For the next color, I'm gonna use the shade Social Blade. This is a bright lime green shade. I'm gonna use this shade just below the previous shade and blend them together so that there remains no harsh lines. Now I'm picking up the shade called Daddy. This is a matte forest green color. I'm placing this shade just beneath the previous shade called Social Blade and blending them together so that it looks seamlessly blended. Finally, giving this look more depth, I'm gonna use the shade called Escape. This is a matte plum purple color. I'm gonna use this shade just above my crease line and mix with the previous shade so that there remains no harsh lines. Using the same concealer from LA Girl, I'm just cutting my crease. Now I'm using the shade Escape on my outer V area and inner corner. I'm using the shade called Daddy just beside the previous shade and mixing them together. Now I'm using the shade Social Blade just beside the previous shade called Daddy and mixing them together so that there remains no harsh lines. Finally, I'm using the shade B on the middle part of my lid. Now I'm using Huda Beauty Kohl Liner on my waterline and tight line. Using all the previous shades that I have used on my crease, I'm just smudging out my lower lash line. Now, I'm using a liquid glitter eyeshadow from e.l.f. Cosmetics on the middle portion of my lid in the shade 24K Gold. And I'm also lining my double cut crease. On my waterline, I'm using Maybelline Master Precise All Day Matte Liquid Liner. Finishing off the eye look with Wet n Wild Lash Renegade Mascara on my upper and lower lashes. That's the finished tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.